Hello again. In this video, I'm going to show you what you, the student, will see when your teacher adds you to Khan Academy using Google Classroom. Once your teacher adds your class to Khan Academy, he or she will then have the site send you an invite to Khan Academy. So what I've done, I've logged into my quote student account to show you, oh, this is exactly what kind of email you will receive as a student. So parents, you should see this. If your children have any questions about where's my Khan Academy information, this is something that you can sit by them and look at. So once you see this, you simply will see a little note from Khan Academy, and then it will say join the class, whatever it is. In my case, it's my little stunt lab class. So I'm going to click on that. Now, the amazing thing about this is there's really nothing for you, the student, to do. I have already, let's see here. Let me click out of this. I'm not sure why that's coming up. Let me get rid of that. I've already joined, quote unquote, just to make sure that everything is working well. Once you hit join or click join, it will take you to a login page. I'm actually going to log out to show you what that looks like. And it will give you the option of creating an account, because you will have to quote create an account, but you actually won't. What you want to do is I'm going to do this, get rid of that. I'm going to click my continue with Google button because I'm going to be using my school account. And voila. Now, this is something that I don't want to do right now because it's not about me personalizing. I need to get to I'm sorry about these windows. They just pop up from time to time. That's just one thing you have to deal with when you deal with sites. Lots of pop-ups, but we can get rid of those. So it's no big deal. Now, what will be pertinent for you? Khan Academy is absolutely one of the most amazing platforms. And honestly, I even encourage parents to use it for themselves because there are so many professional development tools available, and everything on the site is absolutely positively free. And it's so helpful and so well done for students, not just K through 12 students, but also for college students, for graduate students. An amazing site. Couldn't say enough wonderful things about it. You as a student will need to click on your little name in the upper right hand corner, and you want to click on notifications. Why? Because you're going to see, oh look, I have been enrolled in this class. So I'm going to click on that. And then it will take me back to this box again. I'm going to pick a grade. I'll just pick 8th grade. And obviously I am signed up for grammar. So this is what I will see. Now, the student doesn't have to do anything other than wait for the teacher to assign work. Once the teacher assigns work, you will simply click on the tab in Google Classroom, which I will show you in another video, to access your work, and then you simply just follow the prompts as you go along. But that's pretty much all you need to know as far as getting your Khan Academy account set up. Now, for most of our students may already have Khan Academy accounts through math, science, or computer science. So the only thing that will really change is that you will have something additional added to your account. But other than that, easy peasy. That's it. Take care. Thank you so much for your time.